Today we will learn income statement. There are two parts of income statement. In the first part we calculate gross profit or loss. This is called trading account section. And in the second part we calculate profit or loss for the year, and this is called profit and loss account section. Today in this lesson I will show you the first part, trading account section. So here we have a trial balance. So in the question we have a list of balances. We found there some mistakes, we rectified, and we prepared a corrected trial balance. Then we have some journal entries for correction of errors, and then later we prepared suspense account. I'll put the link in the description for all these parts, for all these tutorials, so you can understand and prepare for your exam. So here in the trading account section of income statement, what we record, what items will appear. So here first of all we write the revenue, sales revenue. If we have sales returns, which is also called returns inward, then we subtract from the sales revenue. And from the revenue, if we minus cost of sales, then we will get gross profit or loss. But you need to know how to calculate cost of sales. Cost of sales equal to opening inventory plus purchase minus purchase returns plus carriage inward minus closing inventory. Simple, right? Okay, so here let us write first item here, sales revenue. So we will write here. Okay, so here on the question it is $73,250. Okay, so we will write here $73,250. Okay, then why we wrote this amount here on the first column? Because we have sales returns, okay, which is also called returns inward. Okay, it is here $3,390. Okay, we will subtract this amount from the sales. Okay, so we will write here minus returns inwards. So here we found $3,390. Okay, now if we minus this amount from 73,250, we get here $69,860. Okay, great. Then what to do? Then we need to subtract cost of sales from this revenue. Okay, so here let us write less or minus cost of sales, or you can write cost of goods sold. Okay, both terms are okay. So here first of all we will write opening inventory. Okay, so here on the trial balance we see number 15, it is inventory at 1st April 2022. Okay, it is $3,752. Okay, so here we are doing this account, this for the year ended 31st March 2023. Okay, so this is the ending of the financial period and this is the beginning of the period. So this is our opening inventory. Okay, so let us write here opening inventory 3,752. Okay, great. Now what to do? Now what is our next item? We will write purchase. Okay, we will add purchase to opening inventory. Okay, so here we will write purchase. So on the trial balance we have purchase, it is number 8. Here we have $41,785. Okay, so on the question it was written incorrectly, it was on the credit side, but as purchase is an expense, so expense has a debit balance, so it will be here debited. Okay, we corrected this trial balance, so you can watch that video. So let us write here purchase 41,785. Now if we have purchase returns, means returns inward, In this case, we need to subtract from the purchase, okay? In this trial balance, we don't have any purchase returns or returns outwards, okay? Then we have here carriage inwards, yeah, in this trial balance. So here you see carriage inwards. It is $1,223, okay? So you know carriage inwards, it's a purchase related expense. So this will be added to the purchase, okay? So let us write here carriage inwards. So here we have $1,223, okay? So if we have goods for own use, which is also called drawings, okay? Goods drawings, we subtract from the purchase, but we don't have this item here in this question, so we don't have to do anything. So we are done. Now we have to sum up these three items, okay? Then from the addition, we will subtract the closing inventory. So here, if we add these three items, we get $46,760, okay? The addition of these three amounts. Now what to do? Now we will subtract the closing inventory, yeah? So here on the question, we have two inventories, okay? One is here opening inventory, you know, opening inventory will be included in the trial balance, yeah? We add it here. Then closing inventory does not include the trial balance, okay? So here it is IGCSE 2023 accounting first paper, okay? So here you see the question. At the end of the question, we have closing inventory, okay? It is here 3,965, okay? So we will write here minus closing inventory. So we will write here $3,965, okay? So now this will be subtracted, right? So here what you get if we minus this amount, we get here 46,760 minus 3,965, we get here $42,795, okay? This is our cost of sales. So now if we subtract cost of sales from the revenue, we will get gross profit, okay? If our cost of sales is more than revenue, then it will be gross loss, okay? So here it is greater revenue, so there will be gross profit, obviously, okay? So let us write here, if we minus this amount, we get here $27,065, okay? This is our gross profit. So let us write here gross profit. So this is not complicated, quite simple. You need to remember the steps, the items included here.